here we are at 4316 North Park Drive in Tucker. This is such a great location, and this home has been so well loved and maintained. The owners have put in hardwood floors on this level, completely redone the kitchen. It's a really special property. So here we are in the kitchen, which was just redone a couple years ago. Everything was done so nicely. We've got the white cabinets. They've made this beautiful breakfast bar, gorgeous countertops, and they have this lovely area for pantry and coffee station or butler's pantry as well. There's so much light in this room with a gorgeous view onto the screen porch. So we're entering the great room, and this is truly an amazing family-sized room. You have room for couches and TVs, there are built-ins, beautiful light, and they just redid the fireplace so it has gorgeous gas logs, super easy, super functional. So we're entering the master bedroom, which is on the main level, which is really unusual for this era of home. It has gorgeous access to views to the backyard, brand new windows on this level, and great room in the bathroom with a walk-in closet. Upstairs, we have two nice sized bedrooms with a great storage space, large closets, extra bonus space in the attic, and beautiful views of the lake. So now we're in my very favorite part of the house, the screen porch. It is large enough so that you have space for relaxing and for dining. It has a gorgeous view of this backyard, and it's so incredibly peaceful. So one of the best things about this property is being directly across the street from Cofer Park. It has beautiful walking trails, a lake, it has playgrounds, it has a ball field, a pool, it even has a scout hut. How do you not love that?